Wow, if this isn't a sign, I don't know what is. Look at this yellow boat. This really makes me want to go to Key West right now. Very nice day. It's about 32. But a day like today, it's kind of putting me in the mood for something a little Key West. You know what I'm saying? Follow me inside, and I think we're going to do a little project together to get us a little bit better in the mood. So I'll see you back at home.
Today we're going to make our key lime pie inspired pie plate carrier. These colors are so bright and cheerful, and I just loved when I saw them online at Joann's. And I've always wanted a pie plate holder. When I visit people and I bring something, I love to bring it in this. So we're going to make that today. You are going to need your self fabric, which I chose this, but you will choose the fabric of your liking. I'm going with a dark blue cotton lining. Okay, I'm gonna use navy blue thread to match the navy blue in the fabric and on my lining. This is gonna be a very simple pattern, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Right, now let's set our straps into the body of the bag. Now, you want to insert them so that, you know, they're like this, okay? You're going to put them right down, find your notches, right here. You have a notch and a notch. There's, just set that up. Other set of notches right here. This is going to go inside just like this, and now you're ready to sew all around the bag. Let's do this to the other side, and we'll go back over to the sewing machine. That we're just gonna clip the corners, and you could even kind of trim it off even a little bit more. Push that in. Then I'm gonna grab it and take it. All right, this is really starting to come together, and you're gonna see how easy this project is. Okay, that's coming out pretty good now. All right, so it's starting to really come together. Now I want to press it. And I always give it once on the front. Closed, just a top stitch and a top stitch, and our carrier will be finished. So I'm gonna go over to the machine and then we'll be right back. Stitch here, and we'll stitch along this edge. Clip this. Let's go to this side. And here's that. But there it is. Let's give it our final press as usual. You have to press as you go. Pressing is key. Pressing gives it the last finishing professional touch. Just so you know. It's very important. Your finished tote is here. Now let's go to the kitchen and make something to put into the tote. Welcome to the kitchen in Long Island. And since it's so cold out, I am just in a Key West state of mind. So let's go island hopping from Long Island to Key West. Today we're gonna finish by making a key lime pie. So I'm using Nellie and Joe's famous key lime juice, and we're gonna use half a cup of this. So let's pour that right here, half a cup. Use the Eagle brand condensed milk, and 3 egg yolks for the custard. Also, we are going to zest a lime. We have to make the graham cracker crust. We're going to use all of these graham crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Crumble them up and throw them in your food processor and crumble them up like a crust. Really simple. Next thing you need to do is have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar for the crust and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. That makes the crust. You're gonna bake it on 350 for 17 minutes. Let's pulse this. Pour it in the bowl. Okay, in goes the butter. In goes the brown sugar. Mix it up until it's all moist. Ooh, that smells good. So, it's been said that key lime pie is the official pie of Florida. Now you take this crust mixed, pour it right in your pie plate. And you just kind of work it in.
Here it is. Your graham cracker crust. Let's pop this in the oven. 17 minutes on 350.
Okay, we need to make the custard. We have 3 egg yolks, half a cup lime juice. Pour it in. Mix the condensed milk into the mixture. If you can see that, it's kind of getting into a custard state. Sort of looks like pudding. Well, this is a fun day. I made something to go with the key lime pie. And I'm making the key lime pie, so I'm definitely feeling a little bit more Key Westy today. Let's zest the lime right in it. I washed the lime, by the way, just so you know. Everything's clean. All right, guys, the pie crust is ready. It smells incredible. It's pretty firm. We're gonna let it cool. Now, let this cool for an hour before we put the filling in to cook it. So let's do that. And in the meantime, now we're gonna drop in some lime juice, just a little, in my seltzer. And honestly, I think that I am on vacation right now. From one island to another. I am going to cut a little piece of this lime, squeeze in some more lime. Why not? It's fresh. And then garnish. Oh, is that great or what? Let's see. Oh, yes. I'm sitting on a beach. I'm in the sun. I'm at Smathers Beach. Oh, wait. It's still freezing cold out. And I'm on Long Island. Oh, well. Okay. Now that our crust has cooled down, we're going to add the filling and we're going to bake for 20 minutes at 325. So this looks and smells amazing. All right, in it goes to the oven. Okay, it's time to take the pie out of the oven. It's time that we add the whipped cream. You can just go right along the outside edge. Boop, boop. That looks nice. We don't have to go crazy. That's perfect. Just that little touch of whipped cream. We'll put more on later. But I would say that looks pretty professional. Not that I'm trying to be professional here. I just wanted to make something to inspire a day. All right, I wanted to show you the finished product. Look at this. So now we have our key lime pie in our key lime pie inspired pie carrier. Isn't this cute? So today, as we wrap up the day, from island hopping from Long Island to Key West, we made a key lime pie holder and a key lime pie. And to top it off, we went out for drinks with a mocktail. Now I'd say that warmed up the day a little bit here. There's about 2 inches of snow outside, but inside we have margaritas and key lime pie. Thanks so much for watching today.